I would like to show you what one man can do by himself without any help. Those are 9 feet in the air, maybe 8.5 feet in the air. I picked it up off that pile, put it on that. Today there was nothing, this morning there was nothing here. Now this is the beginnings of my blacksmith shop. I have my forge, which will work. My little bitty tiny anvil, which will work until I find a better anvil. My old stove that I will use to heat treat. And there's what my roof looks like on the inside. It's not perfect, but it will work. One man, that black pole, that green thing, and a ladder. And it wasn't easy. But this is my blacksmith shop. Day 1. Thank you for watching.